Hello, everyone. I'm pleased to announce that Livingston Law Group is in a new office space. When we leased the suite next door 3 years ago, we were hoping this larger suite would become available sooner, but now we're in and we love it. We now have enough space to conduct mediations, have a place for the judge, and the separate caucus rooms. We have an extra office for you, lawyers, others who might need a spot to land here in Charlottesville. We're right smack dab in the middle of Charlottesville. If you Google Charlottesville and don't have an address, you end up at our doorstep, 250 West Main Street, right at the corner of East Main Street and West Main Street. It's nostalgic for me in several ways. First, when I walk out the front door, I look across the street at the federal courthouse where it all started for me in 1993. I couldn't have had a better mentor than the Honorable B. Waugh Krigler. And we became close friends, worked on church committees together, worked at the law school teaching together for a number of years. He was taken from us far too soon. We really miss him dearly. It's a good reminder to walk out and see those offices over there. And I think of him so fondly and with great memories when I do that. Also nostalgic because I interviewed for a job here in this office. The lawyer who had these suites built it out especially for a law firm, and he interviewed me, and perhaps in his only abuse of discretion, he didn't hire me. No, in all seriousness, I don't think he needed me. He was an international lawyer who set the world on fire, and he built out and developed this property, which was the Taj Mahal of offices in Charlottesville in the 1980s. But it's still quite serviceable for us and for you, should you need a place. We want to be hospitable. We especially appreciate all of you who send us people who can help, who we can help. We do a lot of good for a lot of people, thanks to you who send us referrals. So we want to be welcoming and have space for you if you need it here in Charlottesville, and now we have more of it. Lastly, I'll leave you with a fun fact, but before I get to that, I also wanted to recognize that we have two very good trial lawyers added here who are subleasing from us, who we expect to collaborate on with some things, but they have made this move possible. But I'm grateful to those excellent trial lawyers here in Charlottesville who have their own firms, but are under our roof now. So that's an added benefit, and they've helped us by subleasing some space for us for two of the offices. So fun fact is this wonderful desk. It's comes from the court where I cut my teeth as a lawyer. I made a lot of very poor arguments when I was a youngster on the other side of this desk because it was in judges' chambers. My partner, Tony Green, inherited this desk from a very honorable judge who he has a relationship with. And so we're lucky to have it. And I got it simply because my partner has very long legs and he cannot fit under it. I have very short legs and I fit under it. So certainly the most beautiful desk I've ever had, and has a lot of great memories. Another point of nostalgia for a nostalgic person. So thanks for letting me share these thoughts with you. I hope you will come see us if you make it to our fair city, and be well. Take care.